Yo, you looking for content creators that give out good information about running a business? Let me help you out. What's happening, everybody? Your boy Big Brando, and today we're gonna be talking about a bunch of different content creators that I think everybody should be following, but at the same exact time, it's always best to follow people that are doing something similar to what you wanna be doing. Now, that might sound kind of weird, right? Because you're trying to get into the t-shirt space and you're just looking at all the t-shirt content creators across the playing field. And there's a ton of them. There's nothing wrong with following all of them. But what I always recommend people is to consume the content and follow the people that are doing something similar to what you want to do, right? Just because we all have heat presses doesn't mean we all have the same exact businesses. We all might be in the t-shirt space, but we all might do different things. So sometimes it could get very, very confusing when you're watching myself and then you're watching somebody else and you're watching somebody else over here, and we all have the same equipment, but we're all talking about different things. And then now your head starts to fill up with, man, what am I supposed to be doing? He's doing this, but he's doing this over here. And it gets way, way, way too overwhelming. So what I always recommend is to watch the people that are doing something similar to what you want to do. If you wanted to actually sell t-shirts, you watch the people that sell t-shirts. Simple as that. If you wanted to operate as a print shop, you watch the people that operate as a print shop. Now, let's say you wanted to get into embroidery. Watch the guys that are doing embroidery. It's simple as that. It sounds dumb, but when you really dumb it down, it makes a ton of sense. So for example, let's say you wanted to get into buying a DTF printer. Maybe you're doing a bunch of research right now, watching people use their DTF printer. Maybe you're looking for big commercial grade printers, or maybe the do-it-yourself at-home printers, whatever it is. There's so much content out there about DTF printers that it could get very overwhelming. You're gonna have people saying negative things about them. You're gonna be having people say a ton of positive things about them because maybe they're sponsored by that company or they have affiliate accounts with that company. You're also gonna have people printing transfers for themselves and people printing transfers for others. That right there is a ton of different content already to consume, and it gets very confusing. So for myself, if I was looking into getting into DTF printing, I would watch the people that have DTF printers that are running their business and showing how they run their business. A good person to watch is the T-shirt buddy. He makes YouTube videos, but he also makes a lot of short form videos on Instagram. So if you followed the T-shirt buddy, you would see how he runs his DTF business. He shows the printer he uses, he shows him printing, he shows him doing everything from start to finish, the equipment he uses, the location he's in, the way he ventilates everything, all of that stuff is laid out right there. So if you wanted to get into DTF, or if you're just looking for DTF prints in general, that's a perfect person to watch, is the T-shirt buddy. Somebody else that's really dope at it is Mike T's from Krispy Prints. Mike T shows everything that he does, but he also sells stock transfers as well, meaning he already has dope ass designs ready to go that are printed up and he'll ship them to you. Or I think he has a store that you could buy them from, but he also shows the ins and outs of what he's doing. Meaning showing him printing up some UV DTF stickers, printing transfers, knocking out orders, all that good stuff. But he's showing you how he runs his business. Now, let's say you wanted to operate from home and you're like, you know what? I want to start my own print shop, but I'm limited to my space, so I'm going to do it out of my garage. That's when you would watch somebody like Rhybeats. Rhybeats shows you exactly what you need to do to become a home print shop. He's doing everything from embroidery to printing transfers. He used to show himself screen printing. He operates a full legitimate print shop from home. And he also shows his build out of how he operates out of his garage. So if you're like, is it possible to do this out of the garage? It's more than possible because Rhybeats shows you how to do it. Now you're probably like, well, I want to run a print shop, but actually lease a workspace to actually run a print shop out of. And that's where you could watch people like Heart and Hustle. Heart and Hustle does everything: laser engraving, embroidery, screen printing, printing transfers. He has a retail store where he sells vinyl and blank goods. He does it all. If you wanted to see how he runs his business, operating a full print shop and a retail location, he shows everything. And you also have people like Stan Banks, and I'm pretty sure you already follow him, the t-shirt side hustle where he's showing how he screen prints stuff, runs his business, helps people. He's at all of the trade shows. He makes himself accessible to the people all day long. If you wanted to run your business like him and learn from him, he makes it easy to find him. You know what I mean? Now, let's say you're like, man, forget that. I just want to do print on demand. I want to get to the money quick. Maybe I want to kill it on Etsy or whatever it is. You could watch people like Hustle Ninjas. Rich is dope when it comes to that kind of stuff because he has courses on how to use Etsy and how to run ads on Facebook and how to operate a print on demand company. I just named a bunch of different content creators right now that are all in the t-shirt space that do a bunch of different stuff. Now, let's say you want to get into embroidery and you want to try your hand at it and you're looking for quality content around embroidery. A-Dubb Productions is somebody dope. He also prints transfers too, but he is a master when it comes to the embroidery stuff. Provides good quality content, runs an embroidery shop, shows what he's doing, how he's doing it, and is a wealth of knowledge. Now, let's say you want to get into the t-shirt space to become like a creative director, or you just wanted to get into more of the logistics and the production side of things. You have people like Jon Phenom who's providing excellent information and content about the industry. This is somebody who's worked in streetwear for years on top of years. He's ran print shops. He's been the force behind big clothing brands. So when it comes to understanding production, setting up capsules, doing line sheets when you're at trade shows, all that good stuff can be found on Jon Phenom's channel. Now, let's say you want to learn from somebody that's doing full clothing brand stuff that's killing it from home. The homie Ken from ikendoitstudio has some of the crispiest content out there. But at the same exact time, he provides so much information about the blanks he uses, transfers he uses, embroidery, everything that he sells and does, he shows on his platform. One of the baddest, but also one of the easiest to consume content creators out there because it's boom, 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 straight to the point. No fluff. And he has dope ebooks that go along with everything that he does, especially when it comes to talking about cut and sew, outsourcing stuff overseas, creating tech packs, all that good stuff. Jon Phenom and Ken from ikendoitstudio are two dope people to watch and understand what it takes to run these big clothing brands. Now, lastly, if you wanted to get into vending, like if you wanted to sell out in public, it's dope to learn from people that do the big trade shows like the Comic-Cons and stuff like that. The homie Dizmajiz creates some of the best content around when it comes to vending, especially when it comes to like DIY stuff, meaning like making your own hat racks, making your own step and repeats, decorating on everything in your booth from home with the equipment that you already have. He shows exactly how to do it. So that kind of stuff is really dope to see, and it gives you a better idea on booth build out and utilizing your space and stuff like that. He's always providing really good information. He also has ebooks on vending out in public, and you guys have access to everything. I just mentioned a ton of different content creators that do different things. We all might have the same equipment, but we all do different stuff. Now, if you're following me, it's because you want to learn how to sell t-shirts, and that's what I do. I have a retail store where I sell my t-shirts. The things I design, the things I come up with is what I'm selling in my store. And I show you and talk about all of my marketing strategies on how I get people to buy my stuff, how I get my products in the faces of the right people. And I'm an open book. I tell you what blank t-shirts I use, what transfers I use, what equipment I use, how I use all that equipment. But I also let you know that this isn't the only way to run a business. This is just what I found to work for myself, and that's what I share with you guys. Like I said, there's a ton of content creators out there that do a ton of different things. You have to find the content creators that do what you want to do and are talking about the things that make sense to you, so you can start picking and choosing little bits and pieces from each and every person I just talked about and cater it to your own business. This is the beauty of YouTube or just social media in general. You get a first-hand look at what's going on and how people are running their business, the equipment they use, the products they use, how they're using them, how they're getting customers, all of that good stuff. You as the content consumer have the upper hand because you have access to all of this information. And sometimes that information can be an overload where it's just very overwhelming to soak it in from everybody. So that's why I say narrow it down. Find who's doing something similar to what you want to do and consume that person's content. Understand their business philosophy. Understand why they do the things that they do and see if it aligns with your own thinking. Because when you start watching everybody, you'll notice everybody's saying a lot of different things because it matters to them and their business, not to the next person's business. We're only talking about what works for us. So that's why I say find somebody that's doing something similar to what you want to do to start zeroing in on your own business, all right? I'll leave everybody's names and stuff in the description box for you. I'm not affiliated with anybody that I talked about in this video, but for myself, I think everybody that I talked about in this video provides good quality content, has very reliable information, and basically encompasses all of the different t-shirt content creator businesses out there. If you're printing your own transfers, operating like a print shop, selling t-shirts online, selling t-shirts in person, if you're more interested in the behind the scenes stuff, I think I touched on a little bit of everything. So you guys take this information, do whatever you want to do with this information. I just wanted to help you guys kind of understand how to navigate around all of the different t-shirt YouTubers out there. And there's more. There's a ton that I didn't even talk about that are really dope also. There's just too many to list and too many to talk about. Off the top of the head when I'm making this video, these are the people that I thought about first. Check them out, get a bar from them, you know what I mean? Now, if you got questions about anything I talked about, or let's say you watch a bunch of content creators that I didn't mention in this, tag that content creator in the comments below. Put me on, you know what I mean? And if you wanted to, you can follow me on Instagram, Big Brando TV. That's where you can see me basically pressing shirts, how I sell shirts, packing up orders, all that good stuff can be found there, all right? Catch you guys on the next one, man, yeah.